Hello everyone. In this video I am going to explain how to draw the isometric projection of the given combination of solids. See, in this problem, the frustum of a square pyramid is placed centrally on the top surface of a square block such that the base side of the pyramid is parallel to the top edge of the square block. See, this is the front and the top of the given combination of solids. See, this outer square is the top of the square block of side 60 and height 20 mm. And this 40 mm is the base side of the pyramid, and this 20 mm is the top side of the pyramid. The height of the pyramid is 60 mm. First, we have to write the isometric projection of this square block. First, you draw one horizontal line, you mark one point, you draw one 30-degree line towards right hand side. Similarly, you draw one more 30-degree line towards left hand side. This should be 30 degree and this should be 30 degree. Next, you take the isometric length of this 60 mm and you mark here. Similarly, you take the same isometric length, you mark here. Next, from this point, you draw a line parallel to this 30 degree line, like this. Similarly, draw a line parallel to this 30 degree line at this point. Like this. Here is the unmounted lines. Next, you have to take the height of the 20 mm at all the corner points, like this. Then you draw the top surface of the square block. Like this. You erase these unwanted lines. Next, you have to write this frustum of the pyramid on its top surface. So the base of the pyramid is 40 mm. So you deduct 10 mm from all the corner points, like this, because 60 minus 40, 20 divided by 2 is 10 mm. So you leave a 10 mm gap, like this, from all the corner points, like this, so that you will get the bottom surface of the square pyramid of size 40 mm. Next, from all the corner points of this 40 mm square, you have to take the height of 60 mm. You take the vertical height of 60 mm from all the corner points, like this. So here from this corner point. Next, you draw on the top square surface, like this. Next, inside this top square surface, what you have to do is, you draw a small square of size 20 mm. See, this is 40, so to get 20 mm, here also deduct 10 mm from all the corner points. See, like this. Right. Similarly, from this point. So that you will get a square of size 20 here at the top surface, like this. Next, you join the corner points to get the frustum of the square pyramid, like this. This point is connected to this point. Next, you make dark the bottom surface. Similarly, you make dark the square block, like this. Okay. So that completes the solution. Okay. This is the ISO 60. This is the height is the isometric height of 60. ISO 60. That completes the solution.